What's going on? It's Tuesday morning. Is it Tuesday? Or is it Wednesday? It's Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday morning. What's good? So I'm already in a trade here on CASI. I think CASI is just going to get crushed here. I really do. I think it's going to get crushed. I'm hoping it gets crushed at least, you know. I'm hoping. Sorry, there we go. Should be good now. We good? Louder than Jesus? No longer am I louder than Jesus. Should be good now. So I'm short CASI here, 715. Thinking we're gonna see some drawback, some pull down on CASI. I'm hoping for it. We already got down there to 685. So I'm looking here for this pullback. Like, I'd be happy with 650 area. Wouldn't be mad about it. I wouldn't be mad about it. Other than CASI, taking a look here, ASTC, it's up there, 310 area. It's up 23% right now. Up there to 310 pre-market high. Also keeping an eye on PTI. PTI, this thing would have just been beautiful this morning to short. I've seen this happen a couple times now where we've had these stocks, these biotechs that have a little bit of news, a little fluff news. They make a big pop in the morning and then they just get hammered. And PTI looks like it's wanting to get hammered. Looking like it wants to get hammered here. But CASI, just being stubborn right now. I'm being stubborn there. At that $7 area. Overall market this morning getting crushed. News about China. Got China tariff issues or something going on with trade tariffs, and China's raising the tariffs on a bunch of products. So everybody's freaking out. The market is definitely showing it. Yesterday had a little bit of a rally back yesterday on the overall market. This morning, looking like we're definitely getting crushed right now, gapping down there. Take a look at the overall market real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Look at the SPY here. Yesterday, a little bit of a rally back, but I'm thinking we get a nice big sell-off today. We might get back down there to 252 area. 252 area breaks. It might get really bad. But you can see that previous bounce off that 253, we'll call it 253 area. It's pretty much 253. 253 area support there on the S&P 500, that SPY. So I'm thinking we might get a bit of a bounce there if we get down there and it doesn't just crack right through. It really depends, I guess, on how people decide they want to wake up this morning and what they want to do about this news. It's already kind of bouncing back a little bit. This morning, the pre-market market got down there to the 255 area. It's back up there to 257 still, but still gapping down there from the 260 area. So we'll see what happens with the overall market today. I saw TVIX was moving around a little bit earlier, but it's kind of pulling back now. We'll see. We'll see what happens there. Back to the action here. CASI just sitting right there, $7 area. Is it going to crack? Is it going to crack? You can see yesterday CASI making a nice move all day long, but this stock, it's basically going up because they're presenting something in a couple weeks or next week. I don't know. It's total fluff piece. This is a Chinese pharmaceutical company. I just watched the China Hustle, so I feel like I'm a part of the China Hustle right now, shorting this baby. But I think we're going to see some downside here. Even if this thing does spike it open, I don't think it'll last long. Basically, I'm short right now, 715 area. I got my stop there mentally at this pre-market high, 729, so 730 area probably. Risking, you know, 15 cents for a possible 50-cent move. I feel like that's pretty good. Was also, yeah, looking at CLDR this morning. CLDR already down 33%. But cracking through that $15 area down there to that support there. That previous support there at the 1452 area. I think maybe below 1452 might get some more selling, but it looks like we're getting some support right there at that 1452 area. Other than that, what else is hot this morning? What else is moving around? What stocks? Let's look real quick. Looks like PTI, CASI are really the only stocks that are moving around this morning. Looks like it. What else you got? What are you guys watching? What stocks are you guys watching? Let me know. Take a look at them. Oh, we never shorten a video. We never shorten a video. Number one rule of my life: never shorten a video. Just kidding, just kidding. Maybe if you want to short it, but I don't like to bet against myself. All right, CASI, let's just go. Let's just go down. Let's just go down already. SLS would be the third day continuation, wouldn't it? Wouldn't this be a third day continuation if it wanted to go today? Yesterday, SLS had a little bit of a move, but then the day before, that would be the 1, 2, 3. Third day, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third day on SLS for sure. I'm counting it right. SSC. Yesterday, SSC made a nice little move. It was looking pretty strong. Got yesterday up there to that $3 area. Not a bad little move. I was sitting there watching it. Was thinking about buying this dip here at the 280 area. Just didn't execute it. And then look at it, ripped up there to, I think it was like 320 high. So nice little move there on SSC yesterday, pre-market or after. Well, market top was high of day. There you go. High of day was there at the 320 area. TENX making a move here up 26% right now. What's going on with this stock? Ooh, look at this chart. Ooh, look at this chart, baby. What are you thinking? Next resistance at the $8 area here on TENX. Sort of looks like it. Okay. Our shares are short there on TENX. That's not bad. Not a bad idea. So TENX popping up here. It's up 30%. Only 20,000 shares traded. Not in love with that, but we'll put it on the list. Why not, you know? Put it on the list. All right, TENX on the watch list there. Keep an eye on it. See it open. See what happens at open. Like I said, that looks like the next kind of resistance, maybe the top of this candle, $7 area. Obviously, that $7 whole dollar area is going to be resistance, but we're over that right now. So I just say, we'll just say 8, maybe 780. I don't know, 780. Yeah, maybe 780. 780, $8 area, TENX. And CASI. All right, let's go CASI. Down, baby, down, go down. You know you want to. CASI just wants to go down so badly. So badly does this stock want to go down. I can just feel it. I can feel it deep in my bones. This baby wants to crash. She wants to crash for me. All right. It's a little bit more. Get through the 690 area on CASI. I think we just start selling. I think we might just start selling. You got the view out there at 695 right now on CASI. I'm already short. I'm already short on CASI. You can see my entry there at the 715 area. Sorry, 715 area short on CASI. Looking for this move. I'd like to get down there to that 660s, 650s. Might be a little bit greedy there. Might be a little greedy there, but we'll see. Just looking for this break below 690 at least, minimum. Bounce off the view app there. CSI bouncing off the 695 view app. We break that view app. It's game on, baby. Game on. I agree. CSI. It's a foxy one. Got a pretty good entry there at 715 area. I'll get out at 730 if this thing starts to rip. I'm not too worried about it. Got about 15 minutes till the market open. I'm short in pre-market, yes. It's right now, it's happening. This is a live trade. Short 715 area there on CASI. Look at this move down there below 690. See if we can get it. What else? What else are we looking at? CASI, TENX. Wow, look at it. Boom. Up there to $8. Ho-ho. That is scary. Only 26,000 shares traded, but up there to $8 now. Up almost 50%. Wow. That is crazy. Crazy. Look at this move this morning. Up there from $5.25 now, up above $8. Talk about a crazy, wild madness stock. 27,000 shares traded. That is scary. This thing could easily just drop $2 in one candle. It's getting some buying pressure here. Moving up. 820 now. TENX. Look at this thing, just like went from 630 on 130 shares to 675 on 1,500 shares to 730 on 400 shares. 1,800 shares moved it from 735 to 780. Somebody's hitting the bid here, baby. They are hitting the bid. They're just market ordering in. They're like, give me those shares. I don't care. I don't care if I got a market order, if I got to pay madness. I'll pay it. People are paying the premium today on TENX. So you're watching CASI. Is it going to break the VWAP here? Let's do it. 695. Let's go. Break it already. Go down. Go down. Go down. Wow. TENX. Going for $9. Is it going to go for $9 here? Let's see if it does it. All right. CASI, let's do it right here. Come on. You know, why does this stock want to hold 695? It's such a, just go 690 break. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Let's go. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Breaker, 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 breaker. So close. So close. Taking 250 shares there at 693. That way I can just lock it in here. At least I know now it's a win-win either way. And I'll wait till open to see if we can get more of a drop on this thing. Drone giveaway. The drone giveaway is done. I posted the video showing me giving it away yesterday. All right, here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. CASI down, down, down. 690 still holding there. Check it out. All right, CSI. TENX, where's it going? Where's it up? 850 now. Wow. This is crazy, stupid stock. I wouldn't touch this stock with a 10-foot pole. And that's a long pole. Wouldn't do it. All right, come on. CASI losing that 690. There we go. There we go. Now we're going. Let's break the 680 area. Come on, just go down. You know you want to. It's just you just want to do it. I know you want to go down, CASI. I know it. I know it. There we go. 680. Come on, break it. Break it. Break it. So I'm actually working with another broker on just getting a sweet deal. I'm trying to get the best possible. I'm kind of leveraging the YouTube and everything, try to get like a really sweet commission structure, like a good commission structure for everybody, not just me, but everybody. Everybody who's a subscriber, you guys will be able to get cheaper commissions with this broker if I can make this deal happen. I'm working hard on it. Now it's just a matter of figuring out the deal, but we're working on it. Well, I wouldn't want to say the broker yet, because if the broker doesn't make the deal happen, I don't want to promote him. So once the deal is done, I'll let you guys know the broker. But yes, the problem is there'll be a PET issue. It'll be a PET issue. That'll be a little bit of a problem. There's not really any other way around that. There's really no other way around it. SureTrader, I've talked to SureTrader. They're not going to do anything. They don't care. I try to get them to do cheaper commissions, but they don't. They're not about it. They're not about that life, so we're going to have to go somewhere else. But I don't really know what else to do about the PDT issue. There's just nothing really to do with that. CASI, come on. Playing stubborn here. TENX up there to $9 now. $9.01. Somebody is just pumping this thing up there. Only 53,000 shares traded. 53,000 shares traded on a 50% move. Almost a $3 move. I mean, it's not good. That is not good. That is not something you want to be doing. I'll be honest with you. You don't want to be doing that kind of stuff. We need volume, people. We need volume to make sure that a trade is safe. No volume. This thing could just drop. TENX could just get murdered here. It probably will get murdered later on, but we'll see. CASI just playing games here. It wants to go down. I know it does. She wants to blow up. I show 59,000 shares traded on TENX. Up there to $9 again. About to break $9. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh my baby Jesus. ASTC also making a move here up there to 315. Holding that 290 area, 290, 280 area support there on ASTC. This one might be fun later on. Got 172,000 shares traded. So the trade, a little bit better volume there instead of what's going on with TENX. Only 65,000 shares traded right now. Oh god, it's scary. I wouldn't even want to short this, because this. I mean, what are you gonna do? Short it at $9 and then it squeezes to $12 on 5 shares traded? No, thank you, no thank you. Oh, there's a big hammer. Here's a hammer down, coming down. Look at that. Level 2 on TENX, a big seller sitting there at $8.99. Someone's getting short there. Are they going to get it? $8.99 seller sitting there. Saw some big old size sitting there. Big old size. We have about 6 minutes till the market open here. See if I can get CSI to pull down a little bit. CSI, the volume's just gone. CASI. I hate saying that. Do I need to keep saying the stock name? You know it. Oh my gosh. 950 now. TENX. We're watching it all. It's happening. It's happening. Oh god, it's crazy. How many of you got? Oh, I don't even know what to do here. This is one of those stocks you just got to sit here and watch. Playing TENX. Oh man, I don't even. Doesn't sound like something I want to do at all. There we go. CASI cracking down, getting filled on the way down here. Not bad. $145 on a pretty easy little short this morning. You guys saw it all go live. I know people are going to be like, oh, no. People always ask me why I don't trade live. Well, there you saw it. I traded live. Traded live, boys. $145 live stream this morning. Oh, Spotify. Come on, people. I don't want to say that I called it, but God, I called it. I called it so hard. I made a video a month ago talking about my concerns with Spotify, and I hope people watched it. I hope somebody out there watched my video because it was a fair video talking about why I was worried about Spotify, and it's, you know, what the possible headwinds that it had coming, because it had some serious headwinds, but people just didn't want to believe me. Well, I guess maybe they believe me, but somebody out there didn't believe me. So I did some more research on Spotify yesterday. Spotify is spending $2.7 million. $2.7 million a month on a office in New York City. I know that, like, wow, $2.7 million, you know, not a big deal, but like, why are these guys spending $2.7 million on an office in New York City? Why are they in New York City in the first place? They could have their office in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's Spotify. Like, why do they need an office? They're not working on Wall Street. Come on. They've burnt over $1 billion in the last 3 years. They spent over $1 billion in 3 years. I mean, that's not good. It's not good. If I was an investor, what do I want to invest in? A company that spent $1 billion in 3 years? Well, it sounds good. Sounds good to me. Oh, this is going to get bad. Spotify is going to get bad. I predicted yesterday that we'd see a $130 area. But look at it. Down there to $140 now. I really, it's not that I like to be right about these things, you know, because I don't want people get mad at me because they're like, oh, why are you happy that people are losing money? It's not that I'm happy people are losing money. It's the fact that all of the telltale signs were there. All of the telltale signs. Yes, it's all ego. I get so much, my ego is so much bigger now that I called Spotify. I mean, what pleasure do I get out of this? Other than the fact that I was right. Oh, Spotify. TENX. All right, we got 127,000 shares trading now. We got some more volume on this. Oh, EG. Oh, EGO. I thought you were talking about my ego. There we go. Yeah, my ego. What about it? Oh, ouch. Down, up. I'm just going to sit here, I think, and watch TENX. I actually got to get ready for the real market to open. So there we go. Making some money this morning. TENX. Keep an eye on it. Oh, it's scary. I don't know. It's scary. I'll talk to you guys later on today. See you then. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's Wednesday morning, and I've already made $145 this morning. So I'm going to make a little bit of a recap here. I did it all live in a live stream, so people might not even watch this video because they're not going to actually care. Oh,